sobrang luma na. Gamit na siya. Paubos na nga. But this is what they use. She just twist it. Very handy. Very pocket size. Not afraid of Mr. Sun.
We're going home. We're printing our script for our 11 a.m. tomorrow. We're gonna take a nap. And then we're gonna go to CCB to host the midnight call time. Well, midnight yung call time ko. Pero maaga yung fun run. Gising pa siya. Let's go, 48 hours. Mga seryoso na sila. Natiis kasi sa pagpapakademure. Good morning. Ay, afternoon na pala. Ang itsura ni Lola nag-energy. Day to you. Wait lang. Ganun mo na lang yung cake. Kuya Tamwin. Yan. Sakit. Noli ang tagal. Good morning! It's 7 a.m. We're doing the Mount Tanawan circuit trek. Oh my god, may assault. And
it's the fit. So I put my GoPro, all from Deuter. Itay gave me this. Kasi ako mamaya nandito ako sa unahan. Nandito ako sa unahan, oh. Mamaya nasa hulihan na ako. Because of my lungs. On my back is 3 liters of water. Like 1 Nalgene, 1 flask, and then a bladder. Because it's hot and takot ako ma-dehydrate, but may water source. So we can refill. Okay. See you in the trail. Boss number 1. Papunta pa lang kami sa paanan ng bundok. But this is warm up pa lang daw. Ito. Mga boss, tingnan na lang natin yung view. Rest. We're 2 kilometers in. And my heart rate is at 160. So pace tayo, pace. Nauna na sila, nasa likod ako, kasama ko si Merge. Let's go. Salamat sa Pitman na bush hat. Shades tayo, baka madali na tayo. Medyo bawi-bawi na yung aming hingal sa pataas. Flower. Hello! So we're here sa falls. It's a snack. Dahil ayaw namin mag-lunch sa summit dahil mainit. So, Jo made us freshly brewed coffee. Ano to? Spanish latte ba to?
Tulit-tulit ano tayo?
Ha? Sarap na ng kape ko dito eh. Nagko-coffee shop ako sa bundok. Okay, ayan. Sorry, nag-change ako. May dala akong tennis skirt. So, may Spanish latte. And, may baon akong peanut butter. Carb. Carb. Because azot na mamaya. Brewed coffee. Ni binibining Clay. Bakit po binibining Clay? Kasi Clay tipo pangalan niya. Ah, ano ba? Di ba Clay?
Kilay. Binibining kilay.
Nagtitripan nila. Nagkakapiyak.
Oh my God, ang sarap! Wala na lang init na katawan mo! Let's go, ate! Ha? Change mo na lang. Kasi iPad ko. Oh.
Assault. Siguro mga mahigit 1 hour na ako nag-assault. And naramdaman ko na yung walang tulog. I'm sitting on a log right here. Nalolow moral na ako. So I'm taking a slower pace para kayanin ko to. Let's go. Welcome to Mount Tanawan dito sa Bulacan. Grabe, actually kanina nakita ko yung Arayat. So sobrang taas natin and ang lamig na. Warning, sobrang assault like when mga 4 hours. Mga 4 hours if you're a beginner. And yon. So welcome. Hello everybody, welcome back to Manila. So first entry after the trip, dire-diretso actually tayo from Manila. So may meeting, tapos what do you call this, dire-diretso yun pagkalaan ko ocular. And then I had an event kinabukasan And then I directed a music fest. So no time to turn this camera on. And now I've slept like a whole day for Sunday. And then housework and errands. Yes, actually unpacking ako nung Monday. Hindi pa nga ako tapos. And then now, collectibles. Diba? Reporting. Hi, baby. Tapos na po ako mag-collectibles. Hi, baby. Babe? You guys! So, yun. Collectibles. Tapos, ngayon, may meeting ako with my client. Like, a final alignment. From when I landed, we just finished like a set design for presentation and approval. So, hopefully after this, we go. So, yeah. Grabe, sobrang bilis ng oras. So, not a day comes by that we're not busy, but we're grateful for all the blessings and the trust in the different aspects that our mind can out-manifest, you know, our creative juices. Okay, so you guys, I wanna eat. I've eaten, ano kinain ko? Oh my god, nag-breakfast naman ako. Yeah, I'm having fun tagging you along with my life. Welcome to my solo life. See ya!